Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to easily purchase travel insurance online using the Allianz travel insurance website. Travel insurance is essential for anyone planning to travel abroad, offering protection against unexpected cancellations, medical emergencies, and more. Allianz is a reliable and widely used service, and in this video, we will show you exactly how to navigate the site to get the best travel insurance for your needs. Let's start by visiting the Allianz travel insurance website. On the homepage, you'll notice it's user-friendly with clear options to choose your destination and trip dates. This makes it easy for you to input your travel information and receive a customized insurance quote. One of the great advantages of using Allianz is the range of coverage options, from basic to premium packages, which cater to different types of travelers. Now, let's take a closer look at the available services. Allianz offers coverage for trip cancellations, travel delays, medical emergencies, and lost baggage. One of the best features is that the policies are customizable, meaning you can add extra coverage depending on your needs. For example, if you're traveling with expensive equipment or participating in high-risk activities, like skiing, you can enhance your policy for added protection. In terms of cost, Allianz Travel Insurance offers competitive pricing. You can see exactly how much you'll be paying by using the cost calculator on the website. Simply enter your trip details and you'll get an instant quote. This transparency is one of the key benefits of using this service. Now, if you're looking for a reliable and easy alternative, we highly recommend Ekta Traveling. It's a fantastic service that offers similar benefits with a more streamlined process. You can check it out through the link in the description for more details. It's definitely worth considering if you want to compare your options before making a decision. When purchasing travel insurance online, it's important to review all the details of the policy. Allianz allows you to view a summary of coverage, which clearly outlines what is included and excluded from the insurance. Make sure to read this carefully so you know exactly what you're covered for. In terms of disadvantages, one thing to be aware of is that some policies may have limited coverage depending on the destination or type of activity you're planning. It's essential to double-check this to avoid any surprises during your trip. Finalize your insurance purchase. Follow the prompts on the website to provide your personal details, and you'll be able to complete the payment process securely. Allianz also allows you to download a copy of your policy instantly, which means you'll be covered as soon as the transaction is confirmed. If you're planning a trip soon, I highly encourage you to check out Allianz Travel Insurance for yourself and compare it with other services like Ekta Traveling. To make things easy, I've left the link to Ekta Traveling in the description for you. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, and don't forget to hit the notification bell for more travel tips and advice.